On the main interface of the remote control, the four buttons below are Connect, Record, Device Management, and My Profile. In the Record interface, you can view the details of previous sprays. Device management is usually not required, and My Profile includes account update, user guide, alarm message, record, chart history, agricultural team, and daily reports. In the map interface, the small house in the upper left corner is back to the home page. In the status bar, the first one is the signal strength of the remote control. The second is the voltage of the drone's battery. The third is the number of the satellites searched by the drone. The more satellites, the higher the accuracy. The fourth is the fly mode of the drone, which corresponds to the E-stick of the remote control. Now the E-stick in the video is on the far left and the drone is in attitude mode. The fifth is the spray switch. You can click this switch to adjust a spray mode. Progress bar can be dragged to adjust the flow, or tap it to manually enter a value. Now in the video is manual spraying. You may also choose the auto spray mode to control the nozzle. The flow unit in the status bar has now changed to liters per hectare. The last option is spray link. This means that you will be able to adjust the takeoff flow and flying max flow. Then the nozzle will automatically adjust according to the state of the drone. The sixth is the terrain following radar switch. At the bottom of the screen is the information board for the drone. Includes distance, area, real-time flow, altitude, speed, and sprayed flow. In the manual, the first one is remote control calibration. The four progress bars above correspond to the direction of the two rockers. The mode switch below corresponds to the E-stick. After clicking to start the calibration, you need to push the two rockers to the four corners in turn. Then repeatedly toggle the E-stick and observe the change of the progress bar. Toggle the E-stick to the middle, click Get Made Value. Then the calibration is complete. Next is the drone channel setup. Those settings are defaulted that no need to be changed. The fail-safe below represents the setting when the drone is out of control. This may happen when the distance is too far or there's signal interference nearby. You can choose to make the drone return, land, hover, or land after hovering. The switch below is to continue spraying when the joint is out of control. This switch is turned off in general. The first column of the next module is the sensor setting. Accelerometer calibration refers to if the fuselage is tilted when the joint takes off. In this case, the accelerometer needs to be calibrated. The only thing you need to do is just click once and then wait 10 seconds. The next one is magnet compass calibration. Usually you don't need to use this option. You can toggle the E-stick 10 times and wait for the yellow light of the joint to be on, and then perform GPS calibration of the joint. The next column is the battery option settings. The first is low voltage protection. When it's closed, there will be only an alarm tone. When the battery is low, you need to manually land to replace the battery. You can also adjust to return, hover, or land after hovering. The rest of the options do not need to be set, and they are all defaulted.